Alright, topic of this video is my bag. It's got everything I need in it. Bring it to every rehearsal. So this is my McAdams metronome. You plug it in and it beeps. Real simple. Kind of foolproof. This is my HPA 40 speaker, which you have to charge it, but it's nice because you can just take it anywhere, not having to worry about plugging it in somewhere. Underneath that, an assortment of cords, power cord, power strip. Got an AC adapter for my DB90 metronomes. Various 1/8" cables, 1/4" cables. Outside pocket we have the two metronomes. So it's just a DB90, fits perfectly in this little pocket here. And here we got mallets, sticks, scores, sunglasses. Outside pocket, there's some 1/4" adapters, pencil, little multi-tool, and last but not least, hidden under one of the metronomes, the lighter, changing paracord occasionally. And yeah, that's about it.